Okay, so this is my question number 7. Sorry, question number 10. It is for 7 marks actually. So, okay. So fx is given, and our view window, our range of x, the domain is also mentioned here, -3 to 2. So what we should do, go to graphic section, press 5, right? You will go to this place, and then you have to write, see, you have, can you see here, graph function y equals to, you can change this equals to sign also. Sometimes suppose you have to draw for inequality, so you can change greater than, less than, like this. So right now it's equals to, so it is equals to. Otherwise you can go to this type F3 button. Can you see this? If you go to F3, then r greater than, less than, see, you will get these expressions, y greater than, less than, greater than, equals to, less than, equals to. Are you getting this?
Yeah.
I'm trying to explain the concept of, or the use of your calculator as well, not only to solve this question. What are the other options at the same time you will have? So okay, so right now I have y equals to, so please type this function 0.2, so 0.2 e raised to power, so where is the e? This is the e raised to power, so shift e raised to power x plus 2, we should use the bracket here, so this x plus 2, bracket close, and
Does
then
it matter
minus,
you can't use a bracket?
sorry,
Do you have to use a bracket, or
what?
is it fine without a bracket?
See, x plus 2, you should, for the safe side, otherwise if you don't put here, it will be okay, because this is already in the power, it is going on, right? For the safer side, I have written it, otherwise you can skip this also, -4, okay? So if you just execute this, press, and you are getting some graph, but it is not visible. So what we can do now, go to view window, no, no, exit here, go to zoom first, right? F2, that's the zoom, then press this F5, auto zoom. So first of all, it will adjust itself for your best view. Are you getting my point? You can similarly,
Yeah.
suppose you want little modification, so again go to zoom, and if you want to zoom in, zoom out, suppose I want to do zoom out. So first shift your cursor where you want to zoom out or zoom in. Suppose here I want to zoom out. So if I execute this, see, it gets zoom out. If you want to zoom in, go to zoom in F3 button. And where you want to zoom in, suppose I want to zoom at the origin around 0 or around 1. So I will go to this place first, and then I will place the execute button. So it has expanded, it has zoomed in. Okay. The other way is, see, you have this view window. This is the most important
It's
setting.
not zooming out as much as yours, past the
Sorry?
original. It won't let me zoom out more than what it did originally after the auto zoom.
I'm saying that the most important setting for the view window. Go to F3 view window first of all. First of all, please set all your x values according to the given information. So you have this -3, so place -3, enter. Maximum value is 2, enter. Scale is 1, no problem. Okay, so execute this. Okay, so zoom, auto zoom. Okay, so this is the graph. Yeah, any problem in this one if you have?
No.
It is from -3, you can see, from -3 to 2. Y is also in a better scale. You can see -3, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, like this. So how you will plot this on your paper? So you can, you got the nature of the graph, and you can trace it, right? We have a function f1. Some particular value you can mention, for example, or yeah, for example, for x equals to 0, what we are getting for x, I think for x equals to 1, it is 0. So by mentioning those critical points, you can plot it. Is it okay? If you
Yeah.
want to solve for its x-intercept and y-intercept, you can do this. Go for g-solve. See, suppose, see, this x-intercept and y-intercept are very important points. So if you go to g-solve, and if you place here intersect roots, if you place your root, root is what? It is nothing but your x-intercept. So this, either you say this is the x-intercept or roots. So this must be placed on your graph. Okay. So again, g-solve, and then intersect. Oh, sorry, there is no two graphs. If you have the two graphs, then intersect will give you the point of intersection of those two graphs. Right now, we will find for y-intercept. So y-intercept, you are getting y is equals to -2.522. So you can plot it in your graph paper, and you have to point out these points. For example, 0, comma, -2.522, like this. Are you getting this thing?
Yeah.
Okay, this is also your second part. If you see your question, this is the second bit. Find the coordinates of x-intercept and y-intercept. So let me repeat once again how you will do this. Go to gsolve for x-intercept f1, that is the root. See, you can figure out the x-intercept or the root, And again, GSolve for the y-intercept, you have y in ICEPT, that is the F4. So if you place F4, you will get the y-intercept. Any doubt? Any doubt?
No, all good.
Okay. Now the graph of f is reflected in the x-axis and then translated by a vector 1 and 2. The translation vector is 1 and 2 to obtain the graph of a function g. Find g of x, gx. It means we have to find the expression for gx. Can you try this?
Yes. Would it be minus 0.2 e to the power of x plus 1 minus 2?
Minus 2. Can you explain your approach? Please explain your approach. What you have done?
For the vector 1, 2, that means it's moving up by 2. So instead of minus 4,
Okay,
it will be
before
at...
this, wait. Before translating the vector, something else has also been done, isn't it? So before translation, see, it has written, then it has used a pronoun or what you can say any English language, English grammatical language. Then, so then is have some importance. It means first you have to perform this, then you have to perform this, isn't it? So what should be the first part? If you reflect your graph with respect to x-axis, let me draw this. So minus 2.5, I think something here, and just around here. So your graph is going, oh sorry, minus 2.5 here and it is here. I'm plotting roughly, right? To show you something. Mm, like this. And now we have to reflect it with respect to x-axis. This is your x-axis. So do you know how it will look like after reflection, right? How it will
Yeah.
look like? So it will be gets a mirror image. So minus 2.5 plus 2.5, and it is just like this. I'm getting my point. It is a graphical approach I'm telling you. You can do the mathematically also. Basically, we have to find the mathematical solution, right? We have to find g of x, not the graph of g of x. So your fx was initially your fx was this was your fx, see 0.2 e raised to power x plus 2 minus 4, right? And if you do the reflection with respect to x-axis, it means if you're taking the reflection with respect to x-axis, it means
The y
it
value
means
is affected.
yeah, your y coordinate is going to be, it means this is your new function f dash x. You will have minus of 0.2 e raised to power x plus 2 plus 4. Am I right? I have multiplied with negative. Is it okay? Is it okay?
Yeah.
And then I am shifting my curve with 1 and 2. What it should be, what it means, x coordinate is going to be translated 1 unit forward and y 2 unit forward. So now the next function, that is f dash x, will be minus 0.2 e raised to power. In place of x, I should place x minus 1, isn't it?
Mhm. But if it's already x plus 2, isn't it just x plus 1?
Yeah, I'm doing x minus 1 plus 2 plus 4. And now in y coordinate also, we have adjusted 2 unit forward, right? 2 unit y, 1 unit x. So what it should be, minus 0.2 e raised to power x plus 1. And this should be plus 6, isn't it? See, 4 plus 2 is plus 6. So this should be your
Originally it
answer.
was minus 4, no?
Sorry?
Okay.
Yeah,
No.
any doubt?
Okay, yeah,
Please
that's
ask.
fine. No, all good.
Or we can have some other systematic approach also. First write it, then let me discuss the other approach. Have you written this?
Yeah.
Okay. Now please see. We have fx. Suppose I don't have this fx detail. I have some fx. First, I have to take the mirror image, and then first I have to take the mirror image, and then I have to translate it, with the vector 1 and 2. So you can write your g of x is equals to, right? Whatever your fx. So you have to just write minus of fx. This is what? This is you have done your reflection. Now translate by 1. So it should be fx minus of fx minus 1. Why I'm doing x minus 1? Are you getting? Because
Yeah.
you have to shift your x unit 1 unit right. So you have to do here x minus 1 and then 2 units in the y direction, positive y direction. So this should be your generalized, representation for g of x. It should be minus of f of x minus 1 plus 2. Now you can figure out easily if you know the f of x, that is 0.2 e raised to power x plus 2 minus 4. So you can figure out f of x plus 1 also. How we will do? F of x minus 1, replace your x with x minus 1. So it will be 0.2 e raised to power x minus 1 plus 2. minus 4. So it will be 0.2 times e raised to power x plus 1 minus 4. So, and you have to do this minus sign also. So if you do this minus 0.2 e raised to power x plus 1 minus 4 and this plus 2. So overall, when you will simplify it, you will get minus 0.2 e raised to power x plus 1 plus 4, right? This negative becomes plus 4 and this plus 2. So overall, we are getting minus 0.2 e raised to power x plus 1 and this plus 6. So have you understood? You have to approach either you first write the general expression for all your modifications and then substitute the value, or otherwise you can start with directly replacing or modifying your curve. Any doubt? Please let
Yes,
me know.
this is okay. No doubt. Thank you.
So please see the next one, question number 11.